Hi guys, it's me PUNM Poonam. Welcome to my new video. Want this? So let's start. First, open your insert and add your clips and music. Here I added one intro clip, 2 picture and then 8 clips. So first click on the first picture and then add a keyframe at the first, and then in the last you have to just zoom it a little bit. The second keyframe will be added normally. Do the same with the second picture too, but you have to zoom it in the first. Then go to essay and click on the 7th option. You have to do the same with the second picture too. Now we will work on the 8 clips. So click on the first clip, then go to speed and then click on curve, and you have to edit like I did. And don't forget to add smooth for smoothness, of course. Now do the same with other 7 clips too. Now go back to the first clip and add a overlay. I will give it in description box, so check description for the overlay. Zoom it, adjust it, then go to blend and click on screen. Now go to the same clip and add a keyframe at the first, and in the last same you have to zoom a little bit. Then go to essay and click on the 7th option. Now you can check if it's okay or not, and here I think I need to adjust the speed of the overlay. Now go to the second clip and add a keyframe at the first and another in the last. Just the difference is you have to zoom it in the first. Now go to essay and click on 7 option. Now go to the third clip and add a keyframe at the first and in the last. Then go to speed and click on the middle point, and you have to add a keyframe in there and zoom it. Add essay as well. Do the same with the fourth clip too. Now go to the 5 number clip, add a keyframe, and in the last zoom it. Now in the 6 number clip you have to add keyframe, just you have to zoom it in the first. And now do the same with the last 2 clips too. And yeah, don't forget to add essay. All done. Now click on the fourth clip and then go to animation. Here you have to add animation name swipe D. Duration will be 0.1 second, and in out you have to add swipe R. It's also 0.1 second. And in the 6th clip you have to add swipe R in starting, in 0.1 second. Animation is all done. You have to just add overlay. So go to the first clip and add a white overlay, then zoom it. Now go to blend and click on overlay. Now add a keyframe at the first, and after a small duration just adjust the opacity in 0. Then add essay. Now duplicate the overlay and adjust it in every clip. You can see I added an overlay in the second clip. You have to just copy the overlay there and then replace the picture with another picture. I will give the picture in the description box. You can collect it from there. And go to the starting of the fifth clip and add this overlay. Then go to cutout and then click on chroma and select the blue color. You have to see where the overlay is closing. You have to cut there. In the starting of sixth clip, you have to adjust the second part and the first one in the ending of the fifth clip. So it will look like this. Now go to the 8th number clip and then again copy the overlay and of course replace the picture. Now you can see how it's looking right now. Sorry, I forgot to add overlay in the picture, so just copy the overlay and adjust it in the two pictures too. Now go to filter and you can adjust the brightness, saturation and anything you want. Now export the video. Now go to the same project and in the last you have to add the video. Now you have to see where the clip started, not the picture, the clip started. Give a cut and delete the extra part. In the last, add a white overlay. Now add a keyframe at the first and in the middle the second one. Then go to opacity and adjust it in 0. Then go to essay and click on the 7th option. Click on filter and then click on effects, then go to beats and add black. Adjust it like I did. Now go to PIP and add the last overlay. This is gonna be the legs part. Then go to blend and click on screen And finally your edit is done. Like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more new tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.